Good morning. Today we are talking about money is everything to people. Money has become something of which is very important when coming to people. People are taking money as a significant thing, as a vital thing. How many relationship has collapsed because of money? How many marriage has collapsed because of money? How many men are being chased out at their homes, at their houses of which they did build it with their own money, but they are chased out by their wives because of they don't have that thing of providing anymore. We are living in an era where a paper is very much important. A paper is very much important than a life of a person. How many people they have been killed because of that paper, because of that money? You should ask yourself, how many lives have been lost because of paper? People have been fighting out because of money. That's why we call money as root of all evil. But it's not root of all evil. Money is just a tool of which anyone is using it to exchange to get what he or she is buying. But because people they don't have that heart of satisfying, people they don't have that heart of appreciating. That's why we see people dying day out, day in because of money. Money have become something of which people they can fight for. They can fight for a piece of paper and then die, life die, and then it seems like there's nothing happened. We are living in that era. We are living in that era. As you see me today, I'm in a hotel in Johannesburg. I'm wake up in now, and I'm making this video. So the things that are happening in this world, some of us we are avoiding it and spoil ourselves because I'm more much important than money, and I'm more much important than surrounding by enemies who 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 been there for you because of money. So today I'm in a hotel, Johannesburg CBD, expensive hotel, 5 star, as you can see. Yeah.